Hi everyone, and welcome to this time-lapse version of part 2 of Papi the Chihuahua's tutorial. So as you can see, we finished off part 1 having done the eyes, the top of the head, the ears, and we've gone into part 2 just finishing off the bottom of the face. Now, what's interesting about Papi's tutorial, and which I think is really good to learn from, is how many different colours there are all overlapping each other. So you've got what looks quite daunting when you first start to look at him. You've got these blacks and these creams and these greys, and they're all going in and out of each other. There's all these interconnecting colours, and it can look quite daunting. But actually what I do in this tutorial, I break it all down and we go over exactly how you can do that without it all getting all muddied and all blurred. And then as you can see, I'm just doing the sort of the area around the nose, around the mouth, the muzzle sort of area. And it's this lovely sort of grey white colour, but it's got all these other tones in there. There's all these pinks and yellows and creams. And there's a bit of green in there as well, these greys, and all of these colours make Papi's face just pop off of the page. If you can get that sort of splash of colour in there, then your work will really stand out and look more vibrant, and it'll really catch the viewer's eye. So I'm just talking through exactly how I achieve those white tones. And then we're moving into this gorgeous little button nose. So he's got a really cute little Chihuahua nose. And again, there's lots of lovely colours in there. There's a lot of sort of blues and greys to make up that real sort of lovely shine coming off of his nose. And just going in at the side there with the OB1, which is the green pastel that I used just to do the background colour. It's not often that I do backgrounds, and so when I do, it is quite nice to show this to you guys because it's a slightly different way of working when you've got to put the pastel pencils over the top of the background. So I'm just going in to do the other side, and I'm getting all those lovely hairs that are overlapping on the background, and then going in to do the other side of the face. So again, it's just showing you how you can do all these sort of colours when they're all working together or going around each other, and just showing how to do it without getting it really muddy, because this could end up looking like quite a mess if you weren't 100% about what you were doing. Getting a bit more of the background in there, and then the left side of the body. And then we can start to, once we've done this, move in and start doing that gorgeous bow tie. It's a lovely bright red bow tie, and it's one of his favourites. It was really important to include this, and quite often you will find with pet portraits that there are accessories to include. So actually it was really nice being able to include this in the portrait, because it does show you how to put in things like this and the order in which to do things as well, just so that it does all work together and, like I keep saying, it doesn't get muddy. So I hope this is helpful. If you would like to follow along to part 2 in real time, you can do so on my Patreon channel. There is currently a 7-day free trial, so you can try Patreon out, see what you think, see if you like my teaching style, and then hopefully follow along for more tutorials. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it was helpful, and I will see you next time. Thanks guys, bye.